Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT, your technology entertainer. Today in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix the problem of connection, no Wi-Fi connection in your Windows 10. As you can see, there is no Wi-Fi connection bar in the settings, but only flight mode. But I have a Wi-Fi connection in my house, so I'm going to fix it easily. There are two ways to solve it. First of all, go to this PC and then computer. Go to manage, and from there go to device manager. Check all the drivers, especially network adapters. I'm on network adapter. Okay, check all the drivers are okay or not. Check an exclamation mark is there. As you can see there, my drivers are up to date and there is no issues with my driver. If you have any issue with your driver, then simply update it to the latest version and the problem will be solved. If you don't know how to update all the drivers in your PC for free, then simply check the description and I will be giving you the YouTube video link, the video of my channel to solve the problem out. Okay, but if you see there is no problem in your drivers, then simply close it. Go to your Wi-Fi area and right click. Go to Open Networks and Internet Settings, and there go to change adapter options and search for Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is there, and as you can see it is showing me as disabled. Okay, what I'm going to do, right click and enable, and it's enabled, and as you can see it is enabled, and now I shall be able to connect to the Wi-Fi. If I check my connection, I'm going to check. Yes, it has found my connection near Wi-Fi, and I'm going to connect it. And as you can see that it is connected to the internet. And there is a simple way of fixing the no Wi-Fi connection issue in your PC in Windows 10 easily. If you really found this video useful, then please don't forget to like and share the video. Subscribe for more awesome and interactive videos in this channel. See you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.